According to Reuters, US President Donald Trump is scheduled to speak with Russian President Vladimir Putin on Monday about ending the war in Ukraine, a conflict described as Europe's deadliest since World War II. European leaders have called on the Kremlin to accept an immediate ceasefire. The war began in February 2022 when Putin sent thousands of troops into Ukraine, igniting the most serious standoff between Russia and the West since the 1962 Cuban Missile Crisis. Trump, whose administration has framed the battle as a proxy war between the US and Russia, said his call with Putin would focus on halting what he termed the bloodbath, claiming more than 5,000 soldiers are killed weekly. Trade will also be discussed during the conversation scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Monday. Under Trump's pressure, warring delegations held their first meeting in Istanbul last week since March 2022, following Putin's proposal for direct talks and demands from Ukraine and Europe for a ceasefire. Trump expressed hope for productive discussions, stating that the war should have never happened. He also plans to speak with Ukrainian President Zelensky and NATO representatives. Trump has warned that Russia may face further sanctions if it doesn't take peace talks seriously. Meanwhile, Putin remains firm on his conditions, notably Ukraine dropping NATO ambitions and withdrawing from 4 regions Russia claims. Russia controls 1/5 of Ukraine and continues to advance. On Sunday, Russia launched its largest drone attack on Ukraine to date. Ukraine's intelligence claimed Russia also intended to fire an intercontinental ballistic missile, though no confirmation came from Moscow. European leaders remain skeptical of Putin's intent, warning against any peace deal that could strip Ukraine of territory and security. French President Macron reiterated the demand for a 30-day unconditional ceasefire backed by Trump, Ukraine, and Europe.